Hey, when you think you're done, check it all out all the way. Look all the way up on the door and the jambs and stuff, because I saw a big huge black mark up here, and I'm not sure where that came from, but it was like, my word, I'm glad I looked up. And then I also looked up at the top of this, and before, this door used to rub up here, and somebody had fixed it and pushed it back over, but the whole edge of the door up here was all raw. And it was like, man, I'm glad I checked that out. So I painted that, and then I looked over here at the top edge of the jamb, and sure enough, that was all rubbed off. So I painted that. So, you know, just check everything out all the way. And I checked the edges of the doors and the edges of the jambs around the corners and all that good stuff. And, you know, this edge all the way down, and the front edge, you know, check that, and just kind of look at this, because you might have some nicks on your door edge and stuff. And I even had a little mark up there, so I went ahead and did that. I looked up here at the top of the jamb and had some marks up there. So, you know, it doesn't take long when you got the paint out. So just do a quick once over, then you can call it done. Am I going to save this paintbrush? Of course I am. It's perfectly good. I just rinsed it out and everything. Got my same paper towel here. Just wrap that up in there like that. And it's good for next time I need it. Okay? Don't throw those away. I can still use this for next time, can I? It's still fine. Yeah, I think that's how I wrapped it. I can wrap it that way too. That's how I usually do it, like that. Press that and then fold that over. Okay? There you go. Ready for my next little painting project. And I'm good to go. Now, how much did you save by doing that yourself, touching up your baseboards and your door jambs and your doors? I'd say you probably saved about $125. Now, what's your time worth? Or, you know, you don't have the money, grab yourself a little bit of paint and a paintbrush. And once you have the paint, I've got plenty of paint to do it again, or to repaint the baseboards later on, or the doors, or whatever. Okay? Save your money and start doing things yourself. Hey, I did pretty good. I didn't get any paint on the floor, and I kept my mess to a minimum over here. And I was a little leery about carrying that around on the carpet without anything on it underneath, but you know, you might want to put a rag, because every once in a while when you dip your paint in there and swish off a little bit excess of paint off of the edge, you might flick some on your carpet. So if you have a little drop you can carry around with you, do that, because I noticed I did that in one spot, but I cleaned that up. And by Joe, I think I'm done. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.